install our new 15mm through axle kit for DT240 hubs. Now these are the old style 9mm quick release hubs that until now could not be converted to a through axle. So, first thing to know, if you have the right hub, they are a 6-bolt disc hub, and if you pull the adapters out, it is 28mm in diameter. So you can tell if you have the right hub. You get the adapter out, it will be about 28mm in diameter and about 16mm thick. So, first thing you do, pull the adapters out of either side. And they are the same on both sides of this hub. So we're left with axle and bearings in there. So we're going to remove the bearings and axle from the hub, and we're going to do this just with some common tools here. Some sockets of the right size that will go over and sit on the disc mount, and another socket that's going to fit onto the axle. We're going to tap that bearing out. Just like that. That is the factory axle and the bearing. So then to take out the second bearing, we'll flip the wheel over, set it back on the socket, drop the axle back inside, and tap that one. Just like so. So the Western Mountainsports kit provides a new larger axle for the 15mm through axle, along with new Enduro ceramic bearings and new end caps to replace the small quick release end caps. So installation of the new kit is basically a reverse of the disassembly. We've got one bearing tapped in there already, and then we take the new through axle, push that into the bearing, slide the new bearing in place, and again we're just going to use a regular socket that is correct size, and tap that bearing into place. Now if you have access to a hydraulic press, it's a great way to do this as well. We have it set up with the same sockets we were using before. And we're just going to press that last bearing in there. Very gently. Just like so. So we've got the new axle in there rolling on the ceramic bearings. We just have to place the end caps back on. We've got them lubed up here, both on the back and inside the O-ring. Press that in. Just like that. We're ready for 15mm through axle. So here's your old DT 9mm quick release axle, bearings and end caps, and then the new Western Mountainsports 15mm big axle, ceramic bearings and 15mm adapters, ready for a stiff front end.